Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Shannon Ashley here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I cleaned my super dirty makeup desk. It is just all types of a mess right now, and I was like, I cannot focus, I need to clean it up. So today we'll be taking the super dirty mess, and yes, that is a random in and out receipt I found in my desk, and we'll be transforming it or just cleaning it into this beautiful white clean space where I can think and actually film more videos for you. So let's just go ahead and get started. I will just let you guys watch me clean and we will chat more after. Alright guys, so I decided to keep cleaning while my camera was charging, so that's why the top is all clear now. If we open up this drawer, nothing in there but these foundation tops, which I'll figure out a home for those soon. And then here we have all my leftover products, eyelashes. I don't really wear eyelashes, you can tell. Tweezers, chapstick. These are gonna get washed, don't judge me. Mascara, which is probably gonna get moved because I do have a ton of mascara over there. And then products I haven't opened yet, as well as my makeup bag. But I'm gonna continue cleaning right now. I'm just gonna spray this down and kind of organize this and get this all cute. So stay with me. that is it, you guys. I cleaned off this desk. I'm so proud of myself. I have so much more organizing to do, but just this is such a huge start to get the week going. And I hope if someone out there has a messy desk like myself, you just take some time and let this be some motivation and motivate you to clean up your desk, because you'll feel so much better out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for another organization video. It will be up very soon, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.